according to information published by China Defense on August 31, 2024. The Chinese aircraft carrier, Fujian, is scheduled to embark on its fourth sea trial. The Fujian is China's third and most advanced aircraft carrier. Unlike its predecessors, Liaoning and Shandong, which were based on older designs and rely on a short takeoff but arrested recovery system, the Fujian introduces a catapult-assisted takeoff but arrested recovery system. This makes it the first Chinese carrier to employ catapults, specifically using an electromagnetic aircraft launch system, EMALS, a technology only currently found on the U.S. Navy's Gerald R. Ford-class carriers. The Fujian displaces approximately 80,000 tons. By comparison, the Liaoning and Shandong each displace around 60,000 to 66,000 tons. The incorporation of EMALS technology on the Fujian represents a technological leap for the Pilan. Unlike steam catapults, EMALS uses electromagnetic energy to launch aircraft, providing smoother acceleration and reducing stress on airframes. This system allows the carrier to launch a wider variety of aircraft, including larger and more heavily laden planes. Fujian's air wing is expected to be composed of a variety of aircraft. The J-15B, an upgraded version of the J-15, will likely serve as the primary fighter. The J-15B is adapted for CATOBAR operations, enabling it to fully utilize the carrier's catapult system. The J-35, a new stealth fighter, is also anticipated to join the Fujian's air wing. In addition to these fighters, the Fujian will host KJ-600 airborne early warning and control aircraft, China's equivalent of the U.S. E-2 Hawkeye. This platform will provide the carrier group with enhanced situational awareness and extended radar coverage. The carrier will also be equipped with electronic warfare aircraft, such as the J-15D,